Alright, what's up guys? My name is Patrick and today I'm going to show you how to use this little glove box modification that I got from Fab9 Tuning. Link's going to be in the description. I'm going to show you how to mount a gauge in your glove box because I think it's a really clean install, and I personally don't really need a gauge, right in my face when I'm driving, so putting it in the glove box is a pretty good idea. Alright, so this is what my glove box setup looks like currently. I just have the wideband 02 just kind of sitting here, and it I guess works. If I want to monitor it while I'm driving, it's not really the easiest thing because this will just kind of slide back or turn like that. So what I'm going to do is be able to actually kind of look at it while I'm driving and not have this move around at all. So here is what came in the kit. I have this little mounting bracket that I'm going to be using. In here, there's a zip tie and 3 self-tapping screws, and that is the entire kit. It's pretty self-explanatory. So this kit altogether was like 20-30 bucks. Hello, ant. Now that's pretty expensive for a piece of metal and a zip tie and some screws, but it really does take the hassle out of it, and I think it's going to look really clean. So let me start by just taking all this stuff out that you don't need to see. And there we go. So, obviously there's a lot of extra stuff. I think I kind of have to leave most of it. I don't know what that is, but I'm just going to put it right there. And yeah, so the bracket itself is going to go like that. So all you really have to do is just drill this into place using the self-tapping screws. Hopefully, I think this is going to be pretty easy to get through. So I'm going to use a drill for that. But yeah, just like that. It's going to be pretty simple. Alright, so I finished up drilling this. I actually only really used 2 of the self-tapping screws. It's not going to move anywhere, so that's pretty good. Came out pretty solid. I don't think there's really going to be any issues with like hitting anything in here. I don't think I'm going to be able to fit the user manual in here, but that's not really that big of an issue. I just threw it in the trunk, so I'm going to go ahead and button up the gauge and then clean up all the stuff that I just drilled out. Alright, so there we go guys, all finished up. I didn't actually end up taping this because I don't really care that much, but this looks awesome. I think it really just kind of cleans the car up, it's out of sight, out of mind, and then when you want to know how unhealthy your car is running, you can just look at that. It's perfect. Yeah, here's kind of what it looks like, if you're driving along and look over. That's kind of the angle that it'll be at. I wish it was a little bit more this way, like kind of towards the driver. I could always literally just bend the metal and make it face a little bit more towards me, but for right now, it's perfect. Alright, so this was just a quick little video, simple mod, cost about 20 bucks, and yeah, it looks really awesome. So if you have any questions, put them down below, and yeah, have a good one.